Hey everyone! We're gonna play Spooky Box 4 Hide and Seek.
Spooky ass box 4.
We've got the Count, the Mummy, and the spooky evil assistant.
You got that right.
Alright, so I'm gonna count, and evil assistant, why don't you film yourself hiding, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna go count. 1. Oh, I gotta go. I'm gonna go count.
You can't watch this.
That's right.
Alright, I gotta go hide. I think I know where I'm gonna hide. I'm gonna hide, like, I'm gonna hide, like, it's kind of hard to explain. Man, I have to go all the way around to get to it. I'm hiding right there behind that lamp. But, I mean, I can't, there's no way to get there without going all the way around. So I guess I gotta go all the way around. Man, it's definitely a major setback. I'm probably gonna be the last one to hide. Okay, I think we go this way. Okay. Okay, we made it. Oh, that was loud. Oh, hopefully it doesn't find me. Okay, so we got this lamp here. I think we're gonna leave that. We're gonna kind of move that just in case you heard me sing right behind this lamp. So we're gonna move it right there. That way we can think we're hiding right behind there. Okay, let's get it. Oh, man, this is definitely smaller than the last time I was in here. Okay, I'm gonna put you guys right there. Okay, all right, I think I'm well hidden. And I'll come back to you guys when he starts counting. Or when he comes trying to find me.
Okay, here I go. I'm gonna start trying to find him. Ready or not? Scare and seek. Scare and seek. Is anyone hiding by the claw machine? No one in there. No. Okay, so we're gonna go into the Paw Patrol Dinosaur headquarters. All right, let's see if we can find anything. So there's the Dino Patroller right there. Anybody in here? There's Marshall. There's a dinosaur. I don't see anyone in here. Let's go into the pet shop, okay? You wanna go into the pet shop? All right, so we gotta find the evil assistant. We've gotta find the mummy and not get that mummy touch. We've gotta find the Count, and let's see. There's Chase. He's on the case. High five, Chase. Good job. Let's see. We're going way back in the pet shop. Here's our go-go birds. Whoa! Whoa! It's the mummy! Fire and confetti! Oh, mummy! Good thing you're a mummy that knows how to use a vacuum cleaner. Look at all the confetti you fired! What was that all about? Alright, so I didn't get the mummy touch, but we didn't find the mummy, so that's 1. That's silly, mummy. You scared me. Look it. So we gotta find the Count, and we've gotta find the evil assistant. Alright. So these are the pony cycles. You think you know what, the evil assistant kind of looks like the zebra, right? That's not her. There's Sven. Oh, look, Sven's got a carrot. Sven, you want me to feed you a carrot? Here you go. Here you go, Sven. All right, so anybody in this house? No one in there. Let's see, anybody here? No one there. All right, so let's crawl through here. All right, see if we can find an evil assistant. All right, we gotta go. I hear movement. Not there. Wait a minute, I see like, that's moving. Do you see that moving right there? What could make that move? Why is that moving? We gotta keep looking. All right, so we're deep inside the box fort now. Deep inside. Do you see anybody? No one that way. Gotta keep looking. We gotta find the count and we've gotta find the evil assistant. Not in there. Let's see under the slide. Not there. I see some stripes. Wait, there she is!
I can't get out of this position!
It's the evil assistant! She's up here! We found you, evil assistant!
You guys. I had to move because I fell over.
Well, that's not my fault. So now we just gotta find the count. So we found the mummy, we found the evil assistant.
I'm getting out, don't worry.
All right, so I'm gonna go down the slide.
Do you want me to come with you?
Sure. Whoa, so fast.
You knocked me back to the ground.
All right, so watch the evils. You can see where the evil assistant was at. She was way in there.
I found a toy in there.
You found a toy?
Yeah, I found a toy.
Well, that's good.
It's right here.
All right, so we'll watch the evil assistant come down. Oh yeah, it's like a little strawberry.
Okay. Wait.
Whoa, oh, you fell down. See, evil assistant, you're so silly.
You want me to do it again?
No, we gotta find the count, because the count's still hiding. So here's the camper. Let's go into the arcade. All right.
Whoa. I think I heard something back here when I was hiding. It might have been me, but I'm not sure.
Might have been your own sound, so let's see. There's Darth Vader, a stormtrooper. Games. Wait a minute! It's the count! We found the count!
Oh no, you found me!
We found you, count. That was a decent hiding spot, but now
You guys win?
Did I
win? Yes,
you won, so we're gonna do one more round, right?
Right, let's go!
Tell the mummy to go hide.
Mommy, let's hide! Alright, so here's the count and the mummy. Now, I don't know where I'm gonna hide this round. I thought my last spot.
Let me hide with you, assistant. Let me hide with you.
Okay, guys. Personal space. Go away. Okay. Okay. Mommy? Alright, so I don't really know where I'm gonna hide yet. I don't think I'm gonna hide over there. I might hide somewhere over here. It looks like the mummy is going behind there. What is that? That's your hiding spot?
No!
Okay. Well, Dracula's hiding over there. I don't know where I'm gonna hide. I was gonna hide there, but I don't know where to hide. Hi, Mommy. Okay, we're gonna go back in here and hopefully we can find a better spot. I just came up with a great hiding spot, you guys. Under here. Oh, you're never gonna suspect it. We're not even. Okay. Okay. I'm not really sure how to get there though. I think it's like under the slide maybe, but he checked under the slide last time. I just need to be really still in this hiding spot. Okay. So we've made it under the slide. Well, not yet. We've made it under the slide. Now, we need to fix right here. That way it looks like it's been disturbed. Now, go in. Okay, this is kind of hard. I'll come back to you guys when I'm in there. All right, guys, I'm back in. That was a very big struggle. That was really hard. But right there is a slide. And right here is where we are. I'll give you a little tour. There's a wall. There's an opening that way you guys can see. And here's me. Stripes, of course. All right. You should be almost done counting. Okay.
Ready or not, here I come for round 2 of the spooky hide and seek in the ultimate box fort. All right, so we found them all last time, so let's go look this time. Do you think they're by the pony cycles? No. I think I found somebody already. I found the mummy! Oh, with Wiggles! Wiggles, get out of there! Get away from that mummy! Get away from the mummy! Get away from that mummy! I'm gonna get away from mummy. Alright, I'm gonna go over here. Let's go into the pet shop. Let's go to the pet shop. Probably where Wiggles is at. Alright, so here's the pet shop. Let's look. Anything? Oh, it's a dancing sloth. Hi, dancing sloth. What? Move in. Move in. Alright. Anything here? Here's all that confetti that mummy put out. That silly mummy getting confetti everywhere. It's even on the walls. Wait a minute. Let's see. Let's look through the box. Do you see somebody? I think I see the count. Do you see? He putting his hands in front of his eyes so we can't see him. But that doesn't really work, does it? All right, let's see if we can find him. So let's go back out. Should we scare the count? Let's scare him, right? That'd be fun. All right, ready? There's a claw machine. I didn't even see his head. Do you see his head right there? Ready? Shh, gotta be quiet. Boom! Ah, we scared you!
You scared me, blah, blah, blah.
Oh, you got a little dinosaur toy! Is that your little dinosaur toy?
Yes, it's my pet, my spooky pet.
You're spooky. What's his name?
His name is Dino.
That's not a very original name.
Spooky Dino.
That's much better. Okay, so we found the count and the spooky doll. Hey, you know what? They both had pets.
Yeah.
The mummy had Wiggles and the count had the spooky dino. Very good. All right, so let's see. Do you think maybe the assistant is inside, evil assistant's inside the claw machine? No, not in there. Remember one time she actually hid inside the boxes. Are you in there, assistant? Nope, she's not inside the boxes. Maybe inside the barrel? Are you in the barrel? No, not in that barrel. Maybe she's in one of these barrels. Kick them. Boop, boop, boop. Nope. Boop. Nope. Where could she be? All right, so let's go in here now. Here's a good hiding spot. Right here behind this tank. So here's the tank. Let's move it. And then we can go back here. Look all the way back here. Do you think she's in this house? Not in that house. There's just so many hiding spots inside. You can't, wait a minute, maybe even inside this house? Not inside that house either. Let's go inside the doctor's office, right? So here's the clinic. Here's the Doc McStuffins clinic. And there's Marshall. Marshall, have you seen the evil assistant? No? She's hiding really well. All right, should we look in the arcade? Here's a house here too, in ball pit. You think she's hiding in that ball pit? Nope. Not in the house? Let's look in that arcade, okay? Assistant! Evil assistant, I mean. Evil assistant! Darth Vader? Stormtrooper, have you seen her? Maybe behind these chairs. This is where the count hid last time, right? Boo! Nothing there. Where could she be? So we got a house right here. Nothing in there. This really isn't even part of the hiding spots. But you never know with that evil assistant where she might try to hide. She'll hide out of bounds in places that she's not even allowed to hide, won't she? Maybe in under here? Wait a minute! There she is! We found you, evil assistant! Come on out!
Okay.
Can you even get out of there?
I made it out.
You made it out, so let's get everybody back together, okay?
Okay.
Okay, oh! There you guys are! So we had two fun rounds of hide and seek, right?
Right.
So people at home, make sure you subscribe to The Engineering Family, right?
Right.
And there's another hide and seek video on the Assistant's Corner, so check that one out too. That's the Assistant's channel, Evil Assistant. Not your channel, but the regular Assistant. So make sure you subscribe to this channel, that channel. Check us out on Roku, on our Roku app, and a Happy Kids TV, right?
Right.
Okay, everyone.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.